Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to import Excel data into particular one entity in Dynamics 365. So if you want to import data from Excel, you need to select Excel source first. So I'm going to select Excel source, this one. So right and drop it here. Then you need to double click particular Excel source. Then you can see one pop-up. So Excel source editor, or if you want to import new Excel sheet, then you need to click new to import new data. Then you need to select which Excel file you're going to import. So this one, I'm going to import book 1. Then I click OK. After that, you need to select which sheet you're going to import. So I go into one sheet is there in Excel sheet. One sheet is there. You can see this one. So I'm going to select the sheet 1. So then you click column. Then you can see which columns are there. So same column is there. You want to rename, then you can rename also here. Output you can rename if you want. So I don't want to rename, so I click OK. If you click Excel source, then you can see two arrows, blue and red color. So blue one means data is Excel source connect to Excel sheet, then you can get data from this arrow, blue arrow. Red arrow is error. If you have some error, then you can see error, particular error. Then I need to directly connect to Dynamics CRM, not source, sorry, not source, going to select destination. So I import to this Excel sheet, import to particular account leads. So I need to select account leads entity. So I need to double click the particular, going to double click particular destination source. Then one pop-up is open. Then you need to select connection manager. After that you need to select action. You want to create or you want to update, you want to delete, upset. So I again I will explain what is upset. So now I'm going to create this data. I'm going to import from. Then after that you need to select entity. I'm going to import data into account leads. So I need to select account leads entity. So I'm going to select particular account. After select, you can see here refresh CRM data. Why this one? This one because now you one SSIS package you created. After some day, you're going to add new fields into the particular entity. Then this system doesn't know new field is created or not. On the time you need to click this one, then refresh metadata, then you can see which columns are available now, which column deleted. So now no need, in future need. Then you need to select column, then account ID. So you need to select account ID. So you cannot see the account ID because I didn't connect Excel source to destination. So I'm going to connect Excel source output into destination. Then I need to rename account. Then I'm going to double click particular account leads. So then I'm going to click column. Then now you click this arrow button. Then you can see account ID name, sequence number. So I'm going to map this account ID related to this account ID. Then sequence number, this one, this sequence number equal to this one. Name, lead ID is primary key automatically create because now we going to insert on it. Then now you need to click OK. So if you have error, you need to know, you want to know, then you need to map the error file also. So destination, you going to, so inside destination you can see flat file, profile, so you can have it here, error one, have it here, then you click this one, nothing, because error. Why this one? Because this warning why means I didn't enable the option. If you have error, redirect to this error output. So I'm going to enable first. So click error handling. Then you can see ignore element, ignore. I don't need to see. So redirect over the output. Redirect goes to output, error output. Then if you have error, you can get the error from error output. So this error now get it error if you have error. Then after that you want to rename this one error. So I'm going to create new file, browser. So I'm going to create new file error. Then map here. So if you have any error, the file automatically save into that particular file, desktop error file. Then you click column, okay, column area. Then I think you can map it also. So sequence number, error code, error column, error message. So automatically map it. So you need to click OK. If we have some error, automatically save to this error. Otherwise, create here. So you want to know which data going to insert. You want to know, then you need to enable the data viewer. If you enable, then you know which data going to insert in the particular account deals. Then after that you need to execute task. If you execute task, automatically insert data into particular entity. So this data here, data viewer enabled here. So this data are going to insert. So if you click arrow, this arrow button, then now the data still in here, didn't insert yet. So if you click here, this one automatically insert into account details. Okay, now it's not a insert because I got error because this ID, account ID is not available. So that's why inserting. So you can see the error. So you go into, I click this one. Okay. So you go into desktop, then open the error file. Then you can see here system exception, import sequence number. So sequence number I put this one. So sequence number is not like this. This is a number. So we got error. Okay. So inside Excel file, I'm going to update number. So So now update that. Now I am updating the sequence number. Then I click this one column. Okay. Then I click the. Okay. Now you can see update the data here. Okay. 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 Then I'm going to insert. I am going to click again execute task. Okay. This data is coming. Then I click this arrow button. Okay. Again error. So I close this one. If you click this one, it's go back to package because that one is output. Now you can see this one. Again I'm going to open. I can write. So I can write is not like this. I dummy creator. So testing purpose creator. So and also don't have account also. You need to create account and then if you insert then success. So, okay guys. Okay guys, today you know how to map and how to import, then how to error handling. So error handling is important because if you have error, you need to know the error then sort out. So you know that now account ID is not like this. Account ID not like this because I don't have accounts right now in Dynamics. That's why we got error. Okay, next time, next video I explain how to map account ID. Thank you guys. Bye.